Welcome to the dynamic world of project management within the information technology sector. Today, we explore the vital role project management plays in orchestrating complex IT projects, ensuring precision and adaptability in ever-shifting technological landscapes. What makes project management so crucial in IT? It transcends mere administration. It is the backbone of successful project execution, balancing scope, cost, and time, while managing quality and risk. Despite its significance, IT project management faces numerous challenges, such as aligning cross-functional teams and swiftly integrating cutting-edge tech trends. As we delve into these issues, we'll reveal how robust industry standards not only resolve these concerns but also elevate the practice of project management in IT, leading to improved outcomes and innovation. Stay tuned as we unpack how these standards transmute theoretical strategies into tangible successes. In the intricate arena of IT project management, embracing industry standards is indispensable for success. We delve into the core methodologies that redefine success in this sector: PMI, Agile, and Scrum. Each offers a distinctive approach to managing the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of IT projects. PMI provides a formalized, process-driven framework often preferred in larger projects where structured, predictable outcomes are paramount. Agile, meanwhile, champions flexibility and iterative progress through short sprints, ideal for projects requiring continuous adaptation and stakeholder involvement. Scrum, a subset of Agile, enhances this methodology by clearly defining roles and promoting a collaborative environment for rapid product iteration. The importance of these standards in IT project management is profound. They serve as frameworks that navigate the complexities of technological projects, accommodating rapid changes and ongoing innovation. By implementing these standards, project managers can better align with business goals, optimize resources, and increase team productivity, ultimately leading to successful project completions. Stay tuned as we showcase real-world applications of these methodologies, highlighting their direct impact and the benefits they bring. The practical application of industry standards in IT project management is crucial for achieving success. Let's examine some real-world case studies that highlight this critical application. Consider a major software development project that employed Agile methodologies but initially faced significant delays and budget overruns. The adoption of Agile practices enhanced team collaboration and introduced more adaptable planning processes, culminating in timely project delivery and improved software quality. Another case involves the implementation of PMI standards in a network security upgrade project, crucial for safeguarding data integrity and system security against cyber threats. By adhering to PMI's structured phases, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure, project risks were systematically managed and mitigated, resulting in a robust security framework. These examples illuminate common challenges like adapting to real-time demands and aligning diverse team expertise with standardized methodologies. Nevertheless, the tailored application of these frameworks frequently resulted in optimized project outcomes, enhanced team efficiency, and greater stakeholder satisfaction. As we conclude our exploration of standards in IT project management, the benefits are undeniable. Rigorous application of these standards not only refines processes but also significantly enhances project outcomes. Imagine projects consistently exceeding expectations. This exemplifies the power of standardized practices. By implementing frameworks like PMI, Agile, and Scrum, teams operate more synchronously, ensuring tasks are both efficiently and effectively completed. This surge in efficiency involves optimizing work quality within set timelines, achieving remarkable results. Moreover, stakeholders appreciate the transparency and reliability that standardized management brings. Their increased satisfaction underscores the project's success, demonstrating how well-executed efforts meet and often surpass their expectations. In the fast-paced IT environment, the systematic incorporation of these standards can truly transform operations. As we move forward, let's continue to advocate for and apply these standards, contributing to the ongoing evolution and enhancement of project management in the technology sector. Throughout our journey in the structured realms of IT project management, the value of standards is vividly clear. As we conclude, view this not as an end, but as a beginning. Adopt these standards, they are your guides in navigating complexities with assured precision and clarity. Deepen your knowledge by accessing our curated resources, available at your fingertips. Engage with this material, implement these methodologies, and witness the transformative impact on your projects. Your path to mastery in IT project management is firmly rooted in adhering to these essential standards. Let's step forward, together.